Watch me lose control and crash. Alright, we're gonna make a quick trip to AutoZone. Look how clean this car is, man.
It's not that clean.
Toyota, bro.
It's Tundra.
Why did you just turn it off, though?
I'm concerned, bro.
Yo! Bro!
Dude, look
at we're going. Chick-fil-A. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Revamp Garage. We're going to be working on part 2 of this video. We're actually going to be changing the radiator on this truck here. I have my friend here helping me out. And I ordered the parts from carparts.com. And I actually ordered these inner fenders, fender liners. Sorry. So we're going to be maybe installing them. Hopefully we can get all this done on this video. If not, we'll put on another part and we'll work on it another time. So anyway, let's get started. But what happened was, as you can see here, look, it was overheating. Water was coming up through here, and it was really cold here a while back. And I don't know if that's what actually broke it. It froze it, and then it popped. I don't know. It expanded. So anyway, so it overheats and just coolant comes out through here, so we have to change all of that. So guys, I've never done this before. We're like definitely not professionals. We're just trying to figure it out as we go. So right now we're brainstorming to see how we're gonna pop this thing out. I think you have to take off the fan and just some bolts, some lines. I don't know.
Take this tubing off.
Yeah, I YouTubed a video on how to do it. I'll put in the link description on the bottom. That way, if you guys have the same truck, you can follow along. It was a really good video. So we're just gonna figure it out. Yeah, let's go ahead and just get rid of the coolant first. So what I was watching, it has this exit for the coolant. So we'll just start by doing that. That's what he started doing. Hopefully we don't have to take off the fan and all of that stuff. Maybe we can just squeeze it.
Squeeze it out, like tilt this plastic piece back.
Yeah.
Pull the fan out.
Yeah, because then
radiator out.
Then you're gonna have to change you're gonna have to undo the belt. And I don't want to do all that if we can avoid it. So anyway, let's get rid of the coolant. Watch out, because it's gonna leak through there. Yes, sir. And don't worry, guys, the engine is cold. So, dude, it looks like water. Like it's not even a different color.
If it was water, I mean, that it would have froze for sure.
It's taking very long. You want me to record this?
No, no. It's good. It's a video. We can probably follow it step by step.
Dude, first try.
Bro, first try.
First try?
Sounds like it's almost done. Yeah, so you got to remove this one, the hose that goes to the engine. Well, they both go to the engine, but there's 2 big ones that you have to remove. So we can remove these 2. We can get the pliers.
To do this, it's going to be easiest using a wrench and, of course, a screwdriver or a pry
So you see, he took out the fan, but he had to take off the serpentine belt.
Loosen this, it's going to end up spinning the water.
Yeah, we could probably just squeeze it
So
out.
if I just put the screwdriver
So
or pry bar right behind here,
if we can try to squeeze
tax
it
time in America's car market is the perfect time to...
Yeah, good thing this thing's not like really rusted. So I saw some Tundras that they're full of rust. But this truck, we got it from the south.
Easy enough.
Pliers are stuck. Dude, don't pop it. Well, I guess they're staying there. Bro, Harbor Freight, bro. Okay, now what?
Our lower radiator hose from the radiator. Loosen the clip and slide the hose off the radiator.
Oh, he has to remove this thing. Yeah, because he needs to get to the bolt back here. To the mounting bolt.
So now follow that along to the bottom, and we're...
We need to remove these.
Yeah. Go for it. Other way, other way.
There's some at the bottom.
No, just two on top, I think.
Remove this too.
Yeah, you can remove it. Dude. Yeah, we can pull that out through there.
I think so.
Oh yeah, for sure. Trash.
It's Milwaukee. What do you expect?
Dude, it's on level 1, bro. What do you mean, Milwaukee? What's up, bro?
The walt's where it's at, bro.
Look at that. Look at that. I just had it on the baby level, bro.
The baby level.
I had it on the baby level.
Dude, it's still draining.
Talk to you
Forever, man.
for a while.
Oh yeah, it will.
Yes, sir, bro. He's the maestro, bro. He's been doing this longer, even though I'm older.
Weird.
Dude, it's still draining.
Yeah, it'll come out a lot out of that one too at the bottom.
Should I just pull it?
Yeah, might as well.
Here it goes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Success.
We got one here. We got one down here.
Bro, what is this for?
Let's see if I can remove this bolt.
This bolt is gonna be hard. We should probably just take these out. Let's just get these two out. That's it. There we go. Oh, there you go. That's it. Sweet. All right. Yes, sir.
I need like one more attachment. Where this hits, it kind of like goes upward.
Right there. It's right there. Yeah, you got it. Sweet. Easy peasy.
Easy work.
Should be free.
All right.
Alright, cool it.
Let's
Get it?
go.
Let's
Yep.
go.
That's how you do it.
Nice.
All right, so as you can see, we got the radiator out. It honestly wasn't that difficult. I think the hardest part was just reaching some of the bolts,
Yeah.
but it came out with no problems. We didn't even have to take the fan out, honestly, which saved us a ton of time.
Yeah, it did. We would have had to take out the belt right here, according to that YouTube video, if we wanted to take the fan out and everything. So as long as we don't really damage this, which is just plastic, like it's protective plastic. What is this for? It's like a reservoir?
Yeah, that's the reservoir.
Do we have to replace this? Because it looks disgusting, bro.
I probably would go ahead and do that, honestly, since you're going to replace all your pellets. And honestly, it looked like they had just put water. And I think that's what froze.
Yeah. Well, out with the old
Yeah, it's all.
and in with the new. Chris Fix.
No.
Is it the same thing? Like exactly? You don't have to replace anything, right?
Get the four
No,
bolts
it looks
too.
like exactly the same thing to me.
Bro, the Toyota sticker. We need the Toyota sticker.
Rip it off that one.
We need the Toyota sticker, bro. Yeah, we'll just rip it out. Here you go. All right, guys. So we just have to go ahead and install the brand new radiator, and we took off these hoses and we just washed them with the water hose until clear water came out. I cleaned up the coolant reservoir as much as I could until clear water came out, and we're just gonna go ahead and put the new radiator in.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You got yours in the bottom?
Yep.
Miner in at the top.
All right, that one's in. I'll clamp it.
Ready?
Yeah. On the bottom, top. Okay, clamp. Cap.
We have
Coolant.
the old cap. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect fit.
We just need that one last bolt. And honestly, do we even need it?
Not anymore.
Alright, just that one last bolt, man.
What's this go for? It's the same as like the ones that go to the fan, but I thought there were only 2 bolts on the fan.
Yeah, there were. I don't know. I don't know why every time I work on cars, there's always like a leftover bolt.
This one is too, yeah.
It's lost?
Well, I know where it's at, but I need that magnet to get it.
Alright. Well, let's go buy a magnet. Coolant.
And then this clamp.
A clamp.
Maybe, is this one good?
Yeah. And I guess we'll have to stop by Chick-fil-A.
The Lord's Chicken.
Amen. Alright, we're gonna make a quick trip to AutoZone.
You might have to.
We're in the car, bro. Look how clean this car is, man.
It's not that clean.
Toyota.
Toyota, bro.
It's not too clean. I need to get it like, I need a vacuum a little bit.
Dude, it's not too clean, bro. This thing is so shiny. Bro. It smells so good in here. Oh, you big. Yeah, bro. Whoa.
Bro, put it in drive.
Okay,
It is
to go forward, you have to press drive. Why'd you?
It wasn't drive. It was in drive.
Why'd
I'm
you just turn it
concerned.
off, though?
I'm concerned, bro.
Bro!
Dude, look
Alright,
at
we're going.
driving, bro.
Which way? Where are we going? Hey, was I supposed to go straight?
No, you're doing good. Dude, why is your steering wheel so high up?
I don't know, buddy.
Got him out.
Let's go. You know what you need in here? One that'll fit in here. A big fat supercharger. Right on top of this thing.
Dude, right there, supercharged.
Oh, it'll fit right here. It's got enough height for a supercharger.
I mean,
You got an extra?
Yeah, I do. It's dull. Don't worry.
it's dull.
Get it?
Yep.
Yes, sir, bro.
Yes, sir.
Magnets.
Magnets for the win.
Yes, sir. We got her in there, man. She is not moving. We're good to go. All we have to do now is put on the coolant, right?
Yep.
And the reservoir on the bottom, it's already closed. So we got some coolant for it. We're gonna put it on and then fill it up, turn on the truck. So far, so good. It's not overheating. Awesome. Dude, awesome. We'll take this by AutoZone.
Return it?
No, they should be able to dispose of it right. So far, so good. I filled it up. lubricant reservoir. It doesn't seem to be overheating.
Yeah.
That's how you do here at Revamp Garage.
That's right.
I'm new here, and I'm not the original filmer.
Not overheating. We're good. She's good. Let's take her for a ride. Just like that, guys, we were able to change the radiator on this truck. We changed the coolant on there. We left it on for a while. We drove it around, and it didn't overheat. I think we got it, man.
I think it went well. We had some issues, you know, with those bottom bolts. It was kind of, you need to have like 6 extensions, it seems like, just to get the bolts on there. But
Yeah,
with that and a little magnet guiding us, we got it.
yeah, we got it done, man. We got it done. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. Stay tuned. Turn on those notifications. We want to put more videos out there. Like I said, we take a lot of inspiration from Moon Squad and other channels like that. So stay tuned, guys. Peace.